Hi traders, so we're back on the charts. So what will you need to take advantage of this strategy, guys? I put everything down on the screen. You guys can just take notes and write it down. So first we have the 21 EMA. This is the red line, as you guys can see right there. And then you must have confluence from your higher time frames. In my perspective, is a daily 4 hour and 1 hour, the regular time frame, just to see in the overall where the market is trading. And then we will use our support and resistance, right? Is going to be necessary because right, we're going to wait for that momentum candle. Momentum candle is the fourth step that we're going to take a look at. And we're gonna enter our positions on our 15-minute time frame, guys. So pause the screen and just take notes of that strategy. So let's jump into the charts, right? So first, now you guys have everything written down. I know the strategy because I'm using it so long right now. So first, we're gonna map down our support and resistance. This is our support and this is our resistance, right? And we must always see where price is trading and what condition is the price in, basically. So what we can see right here is that price is basically in a range bound, right? This is only just one range for us. So now we must wait for price to break under or price to break above the support or resistance. So let's move on and see what's going on, right? And one more thing that we're gonna keep eye out for is once price starting to move above this 21 EMA. That's some key aspect that you guys must understand. Price must close with a momentum candle above our 21 EMA. So let's continue on. Okay, there we have our 15 minutes momentum candle that's breaking our resistance, right? So the rule of this strategy is not trading the momentum, but trading the retracement phase, right? We're going to wait for that breakout and retracement phase and then take this price to the upside. And this will be most likely our potential areas to target. So let's wait for price to form. There we have our first candle that's showing us that we going to reverse, right? So let's wait. There we have a retest candle. Let's see what price starting to do. Okay, that candle is okay, but guys, I can see we still have this range right here, right? So let's see. Okay, so you guys can see price basically come down again. So price must close above this 21 EMA and it must respect this area of resistance that was resistance that's becoming support right now. So what I would most likely love to do as well is to use a trend line, right? From this high to this area. Let's see. Right, this is a plain simple strategy, guys. There I will take entry position, right? The reason for that is I'll show you guys right now. Reason for this entry position is that you guys can see price basically break out of this area, right? There we can see price basically coming down in a corrective formation, right? So, and there we have our candle close above this 21 EMA, price respect and create the area of support on the area of support, and there we can see our momentum is continuing to the upside. So I will target this area at 1 to 2. So let's see how this will goes. And on this strategy, guys, I will most likely add more positions as well, right? I will add more positions. This is one rule of the strategy. I will most likely add more positions. Okay, that's a great turn up. Okay, look at that reversal. So let's wait for price to showing us something more, right? And just clean the charts a bit so you guys can see what I see. So now we can see on the charts is that we break above these areas, we trace back, continue to the upside. Now we can see a tweezer, right? So now let's wait and see if this area of support will hold, right? And a close above my 21 EMA. That is basically what we're concerned about. Let's wait for it, right? You see how this 21 EMA is acting as a level of resistance right now. That's a candle. That's only candle that closing above it. So I will take an entry position right there. Keep my stop just under here, not too far, and my 1 to 2 just right there. Let's see how it goes. Right? I've been using this strategy for a long time now. You see there, we have take profit hit and this take profit hit as well. So let's see if we can see more trading opportunities, guys. As you guys can see, this is basically a repeatable structure, right? That price love to do. This ascending correct, this descending corrective formation breakout, another descending corrective formation, close above 21 EMA, yeah, close above 21 EMA, execute, right? Close above 21 EMA, execute, right? So let's see more. Okay, I will take a trading position right there. For me, that's a breakout and retest, right? Also, I will take another position and just keeping my stop under my 21 EMA because I cannot keep it right here because price can easily come and test my 21 EMA as a level of support and then stop me out, and I don't want that. So I'm just gonna keep my stop under here, right? Just under here, right? And let's see, 1 2 2 right there. We have this area of resistance right here. It's going to be interest area for us. So let's see how this trade will goes. Yo, this thing's almost stopped me out. Damn, son. You see what I mean about keeping a stop under your 21 EMA. You see price did spike into it, right? And respect this 21 EMA as a level of support. I did told you guys that, right? So let's see how far this trade will goes. So you guys can see how I'm scaling in as well. There we have a beautiful trading position, guys. Let's see how this trade goes. Ah, we take profit already. So I hope you guys understand the strategy. Let's just get one more trade in. You guys can, okay. So now what I will wait for, guys, is that for price to show me something more first, right? We can see we have a rejection from this highs, right? We can mark this area of, we can mark off this area of support as well. Let's see what will happen here. But I will most likely wait for a breakout of it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. We're trading under my 21 EMA right now. Right? Let's wait. Let's wait. Okay, I like that a lot. So now what I will wait for is for price to come to the downside and come and test this area again. Okay, lovely rejection from my 21 EMA gang. So momentum. That's our momentum candle. I'll execute on this trading position, but I will have a wide stop. Reason for that is, guys, we have this clean range and wick here to the left hand side, so you guys can see right here, right? So let's see how this trade will goes, right? I'm just gonna keep my 1 to 2 and just let the trade run, right? See how this one will goes. See support is holding. See, let's wait, let's wait, let's wait, let's wait. Oh, I think I'm gonna get stopped out on this trade. Oh, not yet. There we go. There we go. There we have the breakout of it, right? There we have a retest. I can execute another trade right there. I'll put another position in there. Get my stop under here. Right in 1 to 2 position right there. Let's see how it goes, guys. Price can easily reverse right now. Just plain range. And I hope this support hold. There, that trade was taking profit. I probably will take break even right here. We have a 1-to-1 right here on this trade. Yeah, my stop would have been at break even that time already. So guys, this is basically the strategy, guys. As you guys can see how I'm basically applying this strategy on my 50-minute time frame. This is also the time frame that I'm trading in on a daily basis. So the strategy is simple, guys. Just wait for price to close or below under the 21 EMA. Wait for that 50-minute momentum candle. The momentum candle is basically the key in this strategy, because why, that momentum candle will show you in which direction price will basically move after that momentum candle, right? And it is really necessary that price must close above, right, or below our 21 EMA with a strong momentum candle before we will execute on that trading position. And one more key aspect that you guys must keep in consideration is that you must trading with the trend, right? You cannot trading against the trend. So that is why, as you guys can see how we start, right, price was ranging. I did say we got must wait for price to break under this area of support or above this area of resistance, and I did say we must wait for momentum. We did see momentum. Okay, that is what was waiting for. We wait for this retracement. There we can see we have this momentum candle to the upside, and we execute, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Please drop your comments in the please drop your comments down below, guys, if you guys want to see more of this type of video, guys, because I'm gonna bring it to you guys. If you guys want it, I will apply and serve you guys to the best, boys. So it's your boy King GK, guys. I'm signing off. Peace out.